it's all that you dreamed it'd be. Ending up here, ending up with me. You could have gone anywhere, been anyone. You stole my heart like a thief on the run. You're not much for taking chances, but you've taken a chance on me. And now we're building bridges as far as the eye can see.
This is some fish, salty fish.
And I never thought I'd find anything close to all that I knew you would be. Ain't it beautiful? And darling, beautiful. With you here next to me.
It's so good. It's so good.
I dream in color, you're black and white. And I prefer the country to your city lights.
So good, guys. It's so good.
But we made our bed and it feels just right.
Right.
So I'll stay here with you for the rest of my nights. You're not much for taking chances, but you've taken a chance on me. And now we're building bridges as far as the eye can see. And I never thought I'd find anything close to all that I knew you would be. Ain't it beautiful? Darling, beautiful. With you here next to me. Oh, it's beautiful, the life that we've made here. Oh, it's beautiful. And I don't wanna take it for granted. Not much for taking chances, but you've taken a chance on me. Now we're building bridges as far as the eye can see. And I never thought I'd find anything close to all that I knew you would be. Ain't it beautiful? Darling, it's beautiful. With you here next to me.
And of course the beans with nothing, not that much. I make it in simple, like back home. And also I have some I fried some plantain right here. This is my plantain right there. And the oil. I'm going to close my stove. Some plantain. And also I made some fish. This is some salty fish. This is some salty fish. It's just onion and batter and nothing pretty much. I make it simple. And then I got my rice right there, which is already cooked. This is a salted fish. It was a fresh fish, But I think that fish been there like for 3 weeks. I put salt on it and then I let it go. I let it stay in my refrigerator for like 3 weeks. And then now I come and then I make this sauce. Alright guys, I'm gonna go back and plate my food.